Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be doing a review of an Airbnb by the name of Tranquility at Montego West Village, located inside Montego West Village, of course, Montego Bay, St. James. If you guessed, we are talking about the same host for Tranquility at Sony Escapes that is inside Lucy, Hanover. But not to worry, for those of you who don't know where this specific Airbnb is located, we got you because we have a directional video and a little map that will give you an idea of how to get to this unit. And of course, we'll leave their link in the description box below with their information, so feel free to go ahead and book them. In addition to that, keep in mind that this specific Airbnb is very close to the town of Montego Bay, and when we talk about banks, restaurants, supermarkets, yes, all of it very, very, very close. All right, so we're now gonna go on the inside and see what it's like. Come on in. So we are starting off, of course, with the veranda. As we can see, it is grilled, and the veranda has a little table, and we have 3 chairs here, which of course will seat 3. Of course, if there are any additional chairs you'd like to take outside here, or you want to utilize the space that is at the front of the yard, there isn't any grass, and so it's just concrete, so you can have friends over, you want to play games, feel free to do that. All right, and now we're gonna head on inside. All right, so as you can see, once we have entered the Airbnb, we are looking at the living room space. Yeah. And I really love, the placement. We have the sofa over there. You can see that it is not very big, right? However, everything is just really nicely placed. We have our nice little table here. We have our seats there. And the good thing too is you have your smart television. You're able to kick your foot up, relax. And I'm pretty sure if I'm sitting in that seat for too long, I'm going to fall asleep. And of course, we are seeing an open concept, and we'll notice that in this unit, right? So the living room space, and it just moves right into the dining room space. Comfortably seats 4. You can be having your meal. If you're the type of person, of course, who likes to look out, you are able to sit and take a little look outside, or if you'd like to use the windows to the front, you're able to do that as well. So we have a lot of natural light that is coming in. And another thing to note is that we do have an air conditioning unit that is right there. So it keeps this space very, very cool. All right, so that is it for the dining room. Now, once we exit the dining room, we are entering the kitchen space. To the left, we have our refrigerator with some cupboards and a little pantry to the side. That is very good. And of course, on this side, we have our paper towel holder, we have our microwave, our toaster. We're looking at our blender, our 4-burner stove. We have our kettle, our dish drainer, and we also have our double-sided sink. Now, we also have cupboard space. So if you want to you're going to purchase your own groceries, you are able to store things inside of these cupboards. And the pantry, as was said before, is beside the fridge on the left. Now, one of the good things too is while you're washing up at the sink, you'll have you'll have a view looking outside there. And once again, if you're not the type of person to, have a lot of natural light coming in, feel free to utilize the blinds. All these windows that we've noticed so far do have blinds, and so you're able to block out the lights as you see fit. Now, across from the kitchen, we are looking at a little area that has our washing machine and our dryer. And so if you are here, you're able to utilize these to take care of your laundry. Naturally, this door right here would lead to your backyard, and we may go around there afterwards. But we're gonna take another walk. So we're going to exit the kitchen, and now we will be heading into the bathroom. Something to point out, we are in an Airbnb that has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Now, this bathroom that we will be going into will be shared with bedroom number 1. And the reason for that is because the other bedroom has an ensuite bathroom, which means this bathroom will be utilized by your guests. So once you are here, if you book this specific Airbnb and you will be having friends over that won't exactly be staying the night, they're able to utilize that bathroom. All right, so That's where we're heading now. Welcome to bathroom number 1. All right, so upon entering, you'll notice that there are some shelves that are on the left inside this bathroom that has your toiletries. Of course, you'll have your wash rags, your towels, it's all there. And if you'd like to store your personal toiletries, feel free to do that as well. We also have our sink or place basin floating, of course, and our little mirror, and our toilet and our bath. To look at this, we can see we get a little nautical vibe, a little vibe of the sea again, you know, somewhat similar to Tranquility and Sony Escape, but also different, because we can see that they both have different personalities, just a slight relation, not sisters, cousins. Yeah. All right. And one of the good thing about this bathroom, as was mentioned before, it is connected or shared with bedroom number 1, and this is how. So I'll meet you in bedroom number 1. All right, so see, we are now in bedroom number 1, and as you enter, you'll notice that this room is just so warm, it's so inviting. And one of the things I love about this room too is that it has windows that let so much natural light in. It makes you feel so comfortable. Like, I'm in here and I would go in the bed right now. It's really, really nice. Of course, once again, you have your smart television, so you can feel very comfortable while you're here to watch whatever you feel like. We have our dresser. You can store your things in there if you would prefer to do so. And behind me, of course, we have our closet space. Now, the closet, of course, we have our shelf. We have some space below. There are some hangers that are inside as well. And on the left, one good thing about this specific closet is there's a safe. So if you have valuables, feel free to utilize the safe that is inside this closet. And that is it for bedroom number 1. All right, so now we are about to head into bedroom number 2. Let's go. All right, so yes, we are entering bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2. Upon entering, we're seeing our smart television mounted on the wall. We have our dresser and we have a double-sized bed. And also to point out with this room, I really love, it's very simple. You will look at it and say that there isn't much that is inside this room, but it is really nice. And as you can see, of course, to the right of me, there is a fan, which means that this specific room does not have an air conditioning unit. And a point to note, bedroom number 1 does have an air conditioning unit attached. All right, so keep in mind, bedroom number 2 does not have an air conditioning unit. It does have a standing fan. All right, and you have enough space. You can move around freely and enjoy the space and the time while you are here at Tranquility at Montego West Village. Now, we are about to go into the bathroom that's en suite. So let's see what it has to offer. All right, so entering the bathroom, of course, we have our toilet on this side, we have our towels, we have our shower enclosure. And yes, this is the actual shower this side. So we have our shower, and once again, we have our floating face basin or sink that is right here, and the mirror. And that is pretty much it. This is what Tranquility at Montego in West Village, Montego Bay looks like. And once again, folks, be reminded, feel free to give us your comments. Tell us what you think about this specific Airbnb. We'll be sure to give you some additional information on it as well. Keep in mind that we'll be showing you the directional video. And once again, I want to thank all of you for watching our video today. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for the subscriptions. And if you haven't yet subscribed, remember, hit that subscription button. And once again, I am Yanique, and the information for Tranquility at Montego West Village will be in the description box below. Bye.